part of the etiquette of salah is عدم التثاؤب, that you shouldn't be yawning. You know, and even if you end up yawning, you don't just open your mouth like this. No, you cover your mouth. You know, or you could just close your mouth and yawn. You know, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, إذا تثاوب أحدكم في الصلاة فليضع فمه على فيه. He said, if someone yawned while he's praying, let him put his hand on his mouth. Okay? فإن الشيطان يدخل مع التثاوب. That the shaitan should enter into you while you're yawning.